So what I did here, Tasha, was I deleted the 3 scenarios that you had. So what you want to do is add, first of all, your base scenario under your scenario manager. And your base scenario is the 4%, 24 months. Okay. And the cell that we want to change are both B5 and B6. Okay, and then hit OK. And B5 and B6, in this case, base scenario, we want 0.04 and 24 months. Click OK. Then we want to add the other 2 scenarios. So hit Add, and then this one we'll call it 4.5%, 3 years. Again, by changing B5 and B6. Click OK. B5 should be, oh shoot, which one did I say this was? Crap. Sorry about that, Tasha. 4.5%, 3 year. So 0.045, 36 months. Okay. And then we want to add a 5%, 48 months by changing B5, B6. B5 would be 0.05 and 48 months. Okay. So what you want to do is show as the current. So if you click 4.5, 3 year, hit show. And show. Close. You've got values pasted in here. Okay, hold on. We need to fix those to be the formulas from the original download. Alright, so Tasha, I've put the formulas back in. I just copied them from the other independent challenge start file, 11-3. So now you'll notice that these are formulas now. The payment formula, the total number of payments, which is the payment value times the number of months, and then the total interest is the difference of the total payments less the original loan amount. So now if you go back to our scenario manager, if we display 4.5% for 3 years, you'll see all the data now changes. Okay. And last thing is under scenario manager, we want to post a summary. And where do we want to put it? Okay. And now you see the different payment values for the 3 different scenarios. And now I'm trying to stop the recording. Good luck.